Welcome to a new session of Hyperbaric Innovation Week, where we will learn a bit more about HPP machinery. This is Marta Rubia, and this session we will focus on our traditional range of HPP equipment, which has been serving the food industry for the last 23 years. This range is called Impact. With this technology, the product must be in the final packaging to be processed. For those who are not familiar with the technology, this food preservation technique uses water at very high pressure, up to 6,000 bar, to inactivate different microorganisms and pathogens. Therefore, the packaging has to be flexible, so the pressure can be transmitted to the product, and water resistant, avoiding any contact with the processing water. Besides the Impact range, Hyperbaric offers another HPP technology called Impact. This range of equipment is based on a revolutionary concept by which beverages are processed in bulk prior to bottling, so it allows to use any kind of packaging, including glass or carton. You can learn more about this Impact technology in our website, hyperbaric.com. Going back to our range of HPP Impact units, Hyperbaric has the widest range of HPP equipment in the world to meet all our customers' requirements, going from the small machines for R&D or startups up to the largest HPP unit in the market for big volumes. I would like to highlight 5 important features of our Impact range. First, our wide experience in the market. Making a machine working at 6,000 bar is not a rocket science, as it is basically adding more and more water into a closing chamber. But making a machine capable of doing it in a safe and reliable manner is the key. Hyperbaric has a background of more than 350 HPP units installed in more than 50 countries, being the leader in the market since 2005. Having HPP machines that run 24/7 to meet customers' requirements. Second, talking about lead time, we are able to provide the shortest lead time since we manufacture in-house critical components or more than 10,000 square meters workshop. These components are the yoke, the high-pressure vessel, or our own high-pressure pipes and fittings. In addition, and as the third feature, we manufacture our own high-pressure intensifiers. These are the components that allow to build up the pressure by sending pressurized water to the vessel. These intensifiers have been developed to work specifically for the HPP standard processing parameters, in terms of pressure and cycle time, to achieve the best results in terms of parts lifespan, and so being the best cost-effective solution. The number of intensifiers can be increased to achieve higher throughputs in terms of cycle per hour. A big advantage that makes the difference is that we are able to isolate our intensifier to carry out maintenance as needed in one of the intensifiers while the machine keeps running in a safe manner, so the customer doesn't require to stop the machine and can keep working. Fourth, Hyperbaric gives to our customers free of charge and unlimited 24-hour, 7 days a week service support as part of our end-to-end support program. Besides the after-sales service, we also provide to our customers an excellent support and advice in product development, packaging requirement, or assistance in interpretation of legal and regulatory aspects through a team of more than 20 employees with technical knowledge in both engineering and food service. You can learn more about this point in our session, The Power of Partnership, our end-to-end HPP support program. And finally, the fifth regarding certification. Hyperbaric machinery meets the highest standard, and so we can provide different certifications used in high-pressure processing machinery, such as CE Mark or ASME stamp. Hyperbaric also design, manufacture, and supply flexible and personalized solutions for the automation of our machinery. These solutions cover automation, material handling, and Industry 4.0 to provide efficiencies in labor and production, including labor reduction, boosting production line speed and efficiency, and delivering strict traceability. Our extensive experience allows us to solve the industrial challenge of the food industry and offer a wide variety of fully customized solutions to fulfill our customers' requirements. Now, let's talk about the impact rates. The first machine in our list is the Hyperbaric 55. This machine is the perfect first step into the HPP business. With its 55 liters vessel and a diameter of 200 millimeters, allow a throughput of roughly 200 kilos per hour at 6,000 bar. It is the ideal unit for small and medium-sized food companies, serving to niche market, seasonal production, or R&D centers. Its robust and compact design with one single intensifier makes it easy and quick to install in almost any facility, as it is shipped in a standard overseas 20-feet containers. It has a reduced footprint with 8 meters length by 2.8 meters wide by 2.2 meters high. That makes this unit the right model to easily install. Some examples of customers who have this machine size are MRM for ready-to-eat meals and Frutas Los Cursos for avocado products, both in Spain, and Juan Camole in the avocado sector, also in Colombia. The unit that is behind me is the Hyperbaric 135, one of our mid-sized units, targeted for medium food production. Its 135 liters vessel, with a diameter of 300 millimeters, provides good filling efficiency and allows to process bigger products, such as big bags or cakes. In its standard configuration with 2 intensifiers, it delivers a throughput of roughly 670 kilos per hour. But this unit can be upgraded up to 4 intensifiers, and with this option, it is able to build 6,000 bar in less than 2 minutes. Some of our customers around the world using this unit are Victoria Siemens, processing juice and beverage in Poland, and Comercial Logística de Calamocha, focused in meat products exportation. Also, Rodilla, with sandwiches filling in Spain, is using this machine. The other unit that will be in our medium-sized range is the Hyperbaric 300, historically been the most suitable option for medium-high production. This machine has a vessel of 300 liters capacity with same diameter than the Hyperbaric 135, but with double length. This optimized vessel makes this machine one of the more price competitive of the range, delivering 1,510 kilos per hour. Its configuration allows achieving even higher production by only adding more intensifiers. So this fact helped to customers' market expansion process. Companies that are using this unit are GL Foods in Portugal, processing juice and beverage, Caña Nature with tomato-based products and guacamole in Spain, or the manufacturer PF in Chile, focused on the meat sector. Now, please come with me to our workshop to introduce you our larger units, the Hyperbaric 420 and the Hyperbaric 525. Hyperbaric 420 is the best-selling HPP machine in the market. Its 420 liters capacity and 308 millimeters diameter vessel, together with its 18 high-pressure intensifiers, allow this unit to process more than 2,600 kilo per hour. This model is the first of our range with this diameter, and so it allows to accommodate big volume products. This machine can be installed with 4 intensifiers, and the customer can expand the capacity when the production increase required by adding 4 more intensifiers, up to 8. Customers like Suya in US, Hoogesteger in Holland, or Chiamei in Taiwan in the beverage sector, or the Toller Deli 24 in UK are using the Hyperbaric 420 at their facilities. Finally, the last but absolutely not the least in our impact range is the Hyperbaric 525, our largest impact unit. You can see it behind me. It was launched in 2014 following the demands of our customers with the largest production environment. It is the biggest and most productive HPP system in the world. With a 525-liter capacity and a diameter of 380 millimeters, it can deliver around 3,210 kilos per hour, and its capacity and low processing cost are unmatched. It is also possible to set up the hyperbaric larger machinery in an integrated configuration, where the intensifiers are located in a platform on the top of the vessel. This design reduces the footprint and facilitates its implementation in a food industrial environment. For instance, for an integrated hyperbaric 525 with a maximum number of intensifier pumps, the total footprint required will be 70 meters length by only 4 meters wide and 4.45 meters high. We look to US, where we find excellent examples of customers using this unit size, like Evolution or Good Foods. But we have also excellent examples in other countries, like S Foods in Korea and Noel in Spain, both in the meat sector. I hope you have enjoyed this session and really hope you enjoy the rest of the session of the Innovation Week. We remain entirely at your disposal for anything you might require regarding the HPP equipment at hyperbaric.com. Thanks for joining us.